IFRS 15 explained. Revenue from contracts with customers. Complete guide. Revenue is one of the most important figures in financial statements. But when exactly should revenue be recognized? To answer this, IFRS introduced IFRS 15, Revenue from Contracts with Customers. In this video, we'll explain IFRS 15 step by step with examples. Why IFRS 15 was introduced. Key points. Earlier, multiple standards existed, IAS 18, IAS 11. Different industries followed different rules. Lack of consistency and comparability. Script. IFRS 15 was introduced to create one single revenue model for all industries, ensuring consistency, transparency, and comparability across financial statements. Scope of IFRS 15 covers sale of goods, rendering of services, construction contracts, licensing, subscription-based income. Does not cover leases, IFRS 16, financial instruments, IFRS 9, insurance contracts. Core principle of IFRS 15. The core principle of IFRS 15 is simple. Revenue should be recognized when control of goods or services is transferred to the customer and in an amount that reflects the consideration expected. The 5-step revenue recognition model. Step 1. Identify the contract. A contract exists when parties approve the contract, rights and payment terms are clear, contract has commercial substance, collection is probable. Example. Customer orders goods and agrees to pay 1 lakh rupees. Step 2. Identify performance obligations. Separate promises in a contract, each good or service that is distinct. Example. Selling a laptop plus 1-year warranty, 2 performance obligations. Step 3. Determine the transaction price. Includes fixed price, variable consideration, discounts, incentives. Excludes GST, VAT collected on behalf of government. Step 4. Allocate the transaction price. Allocate price based on standalone selling prices, required when multiple performance obligations exist. Example. Laptop, 90,000 rupees. Warranty, 10,000 rupees. Step 5. Recognize revenue. Revenue recognized when control is transferred, either over time or at a point in time. Examples. Goods sold at delivery. Services over contract period. Common practical examples. Example 1. Subscription service. Annual software subscription. Revenue recognized monthly. Example 2. Construction contract. Revenue recognized over time based on progress. Example 3. Sale with discount. Revenue recorded after estimating expected discount. Key disclosures under IFRS 15. Companies must disclose revenue breakdown, contract assets and liabilities, significant judgments used, remaining performance obligations. Conclusion and CTA. IFRS 15 ensures revenue is recognized fairly, consistently, and transparently across all industries. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, comment if you want a practical IFRS 15 case study.